Looking for a project that's practical, quick, and perfect for sunny weather? Today I'll show you how to make an easy, rollable beach blanket with a built-in strap, all using your 46 or 48 needle circular knitting machine. It's light, portable, and best of all, it's made from machine washable acrylic yarn, which means you can toss it in the wash after every adventure. No stress, no special care instructions, just grab, roll, and go. What you'll need for this project: a 46 or 48 needle circular knitting machine. I'm using the Addi, but the Sentro works too. 2 balls of the Lion brand ice cream big scoop yarn, a yarn winder. It's optional, but handy. Wind the yarn so you're ready to go. Waste yarn, scissors, a G7 or 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, stitch holders, a small darning needle, and a pair of magnetic metal snaps for the strap. Actually, it's 2 pairs of magnetic metal snaps for the strap. I got mine from Amazon. This video will give you a high-level view of the project. If you wish to follow along with a detailed instructional video, you can purchase the pattern at rticrafts.etsy.com. When you purchase a pattern, it helps me to be able to afford to design more projects in the future. Thanks ahead of time for your support. Step number 1, knit 5 tubes. Start by knitting 5 tubes, each 200 rows long. Use waste yarn at both the beginning and the end of each tube. The waste yarn isn't just for looks, it makes it much easier to finish your project later on. It also helps prevent drop stitches from unraveling while you work on assembly. This step goes faster than you think. It's the beauty of circular machine knitting. You'll finish all 5 panels in no time. Step number 2, close the ends. Now that you have all 5 tubes knitted, it's time to finish the ends. Use the slip stitch method with a crochet hook to close both ends of each panel. This creates a smooth, flat edge and helps everything look more polished. Put stitch holders in the first and last stitch. Then count 24 stitches from the first stitch if you used an Addi, or 25 stitches if you used a Sentro. Put your crochet hook in and start slipping the stitches over each other until you reach the first stitch, then bring the yarn end through and cinch. Step number 3, join the panels together. Lay 2 finished tubes on top of each other. Going down one side, put stitch holders through the side stitches of both panels, following the knitted row down to keep it straight. Then, with your darning needle and matching yarn, use the mattress stitch to join the panels lengthwise. The mattress stitch is magical. It lets your seams disappear into the fabric. Work slowly and evenly, matching up each row as you go. Take your time here. This step adds the structure and polish that makes your blanket look professionally finished. Once you've joined all 5, you've got your blanket. Step number 4, weave in the ends. Go back and weave in any loose yarn tails with your darning needle. Follow the natural path of your stitches and don't pull too tight. This step is easy to rush, but trust me, clean finishing makes all the difference. Number 5, knit the carrying strap. Now let's make the strap that lets you roll and carry the blanket easily. Using leftover yarn, knit a short tube about 105 rows long. Begin and end with waste yarn just like before. Once done, remove the waste yarn and close both ends with the slip stitch method for a tidy finish. Step number 6. Attach the magnetic snaps. Then on one end of the strap, sew in one side of the magnetic snaps about an inch down and an inch in from each corner. Then sew the other half of the snap on the other end of the strap in the same place, making sure it is the correct side. And that's it! In just a few hours, you've created a soft, practical, and reusable beach blanket, perfect for lounging, road trips, or summer picnics. By using acrylic yarn, you've made something machine washable, durable, and stress-free. No need to baby this blanket, just use it, toss it in the wash, and use it again. It's a great weekend project and a wonderful gift idea too. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more circular knitting machine projects. And tag me when you make your own beach blanket. I'd love to see it. You can find me on Instagram at Circular Machine Knitting. Thanks for watching and happy knitting.